Sanbonani, dumelang molweni, shakujani. Welcome to Through Pass. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe, share, and tell others. Ukuthi we are here and sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. And I become a smoothie so season wabablikati sibongo, and as usual angihambi ngedwa mphethe coach Killer the plumber of notes Mphela.
Yisho phela uthi popo.
Yayisho nje nayi izwa.
Ngiyayizwa.
Well,
Adle plumber mfowethu sengidlela ukudla kwayo adle plumber.
well, welcome plumbers. Not every day that you get to sit down and be comfortable like this. So it's one of those days.
Yeah, it's one of those days, and then we're just grateful for the opportunity because we're going to talk about something that is next to,
To your heart.
yeah.
Very, very, very important thing. So, good people, namhlanje we'll talk about Bafana call out. We'll talk about Bafana jersey, home and away. And we're also going to talk about what happened with the CAF. Who is now, no, not CAF, AFCON. Who is now our new champions with AFCON as far as things are right now? It's no longer Senegal, but Morocco. So we're going to talk about that and unpack it any further. There's so many things to talk about as far as the starting the Bafana call up is concerned. There are players that were called. There are players that are no longer there, and there were some words said by coach. They didn't sound too well, Wabanyabantu. So we're going to talk about all those things and unpack it even further. So without any further ado, is there any intro, anything that you would like to say to the people?
No, I know. Let's get into it.
We could.
Yeah,
Just want to get to business.
yeah. Be my leader.
Okay. Let me lead the way. So Bafana is going to play a friendly against Panama.
Mm-hmm.
What do we know about Panama?
Not that much.
Yeah.
Reason being, they are there. I think North America or
Can't be North America. Probably South America.
South America, yeah, but
Okay.
it's a small country. It's a small country, but they are not that bad. They are not a bad side, because when you look at their rankings, I think they are 35 or 33 somewhere there. So it's
So
quite
that's above
formidable
Bafana.
by more than half.
Then it's in a Sigba, 60 something.
So number 60, yeah.
Oh, okay, they're good. So in South America, they're
No,
quite good.
we're not that good. We're not that good.
They're not that good. But they wouldn't be on
You know-
30 something if they were not good.
No. I'm talking about us.
I mean,
South
I'm talking
Africa.
about them.
Oh, yeah. No, yeah. It's a,
So
it's a
because in South
formidable
America,
team,
you've got your Chile, you've got your Uruguay, you've got your
Brazil,
Colombia.
Argentina, yes.
So Panama is
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, Panama is there. So I think it would be a good preparation for South Africa. It's just that I'm not sure, but I have strong doubts. There's no way that this can be the only friend before June. I doubt, because I know that before the World Cup, you usually have friendlies, maybe 3, 4, 5 friendlies before you go and start the World Cup. So I also feel they will still going to have other nations that are going to play Bafana beside these ones. And what I can tell you now, the way when I'm looking at the squad now, 95% of that squad, definitely those guys are the guys that are going to the World Cup. There's very, very little that is going to change. It won't be even more than 5 players. 5 is even more. Maybe 4 players or something. Maybe, and also that would be depending on injuries. But we could see that the way Mkulu is doing, the move he's taking, definitely that squad, more than 95% is the one that are going to be on the World Cup.
Well, it's going to be a very interesting one. So we have one game here in Moses Mabhida and the other one in where?
Cape Town.
In Cape Town.
Cape Town or East London. I should be Cape Town.
Okay, let us confirm. While we're busy confirming, maybe you can also comment on the comment section if you are well aware with the Izobe EGP game. But why Panama? Like, we're going to play World Cup. Couldn't we get Spain, France, Brazil? Why are we getting Panama?
No, it also depends. It depends. That's why I'm saying, angithi in our group, we're going to play Mexico. So definitely we need to play those people that are there in
and
those
see their
continents and
style
see
of
their
play.
style of play. If we're playing a European team because we're going to play North Korea or some, and no, those small nations, because I think even Denmark, because if Denmark keeps on winning, they are the one that are going to come to our group. We may play a European team,
Yeah.
maybe Scotland, the team that is near. His style of play is fun, but Europe is so tiny. And if it's countries that are in Asia, the Eurasia, maybe above Philippines and all those countries, New Zealand and those countries are on that side. Maybe if you play Japan, those kind, or if you play South Korea, when you're trying to go next to Japan, because you need to feel the lifestyle and also so those are the reasons why that the SAFA decided to
Okay, all right.
So it's not necessarily a bad Locuzana because we're playing Mexico the first game, so they're on that side. So even the climate conditions, the feel you'll understand them. Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's just go straight to Izumkulu started by giving us the preliminary squad, of which you saw so many players, and I remember you saying many of them are going to be dropped, and Kukhona Batile, Esobabona, but the dropping that had been done. Many people did not expect certain people to be dropped out from Bafana call out, but Umkulu unawa come ama reasons. But let's talk about the ones that made it to the call out that is going to play against Panama. So I'm not a guy who comes from the back. I usually come from the front. So I will start with the front.
Can I help you? Can I assist you?
With what?
Quickie to name those players.
Oh, you want to flex?
I
want to start with the strikers. Let's do the strikers.
Can we start at the back? Because when you
but the back,
there
are so many talking points and something controversial there. So I can't start with that.
Okay, fine. Let's go at the front. So there's a Froster. You know this thing. You know when you have a team, you need to feel your team. You need to feel your team and know the team with your back, with your eyes closed. You can wake me up at 12 o'clock. You understand. You know your team. Man, I know Bafana Bafana. You can tell me something, your opinion, but I understand Bafana. I understand them cool. Maybe
let's name all of them first. The strikers, you said Foster.
Yeah, it's Foster. It's Makhopa. And then on the right wing forward, we have Uhlongwane, we have Ulo. Apolis. And then Ugumaten, we have Uzane, we have Mfukeng, and then ngapha left wing forward, we have like for like, we have Tapelo Masego, we have Ulo. Umorem, and then La Eswin, we have Adams, we have Umkwena.
Okay, wait, before we go to Eswin, let's talk about our front. So you're happy with the players named up front?
Yeah, I'm happy with the players that are named up front. Beside, if Tapelo Mrena was fit, still before World Cup, I can tell you Bongo will be dropped.
Morena is not a striker.
Right wing forward is the one that is playing on the right flank. Is 7 with these old positions. So Umkhulu is
so
playing.
So would you sacrifice the forward for Umuntu who is naturally right back?
Talk about the
simply
system.
Because
No. This is something. Umrana is a utility player.
Yeah.
Umrana
easily convertible.
Yes. Umrana, there is no position that he has never played. All the positions in the field he has played them. So you need the type of a player. Umkhulu has been, even Sundowns. If Sundowns has Umrana and Mtao, they never lose the match. They never. That's how they frustrated the Pirates, and then they outclassed Lokuzana Mfukeng on that day because there was Umrena and there was Umtao, so they outclassed them. So I'm happy about the strikers. I mentioned the one of Umrena that is going to come back and Ubongo will go out. What I'm not happy about, it's about Urenas. I think Urenas needs to, because Urenas is a goal poucher. Urenas sniffs the net. He knows the net. When you compare him with Makhopa, but I also understand a little bit nyana. Umkhulu is relying on the tried and tested, so he changes and his soldiers Ulokuzana, Ulail Foster, Makhopa.
Makhopa tried and tested where?
AFCON, not this one, the one that was previous, because he was doing a very, very, very good job, especially when we are out of position. It's because sometimes the way they play, the national team, the way they play, they play with the reference point. They play with the reference point, but on that AFCON, they were using more Sundowns players. So the philosophy, they were using more Sundowns players. So it was easy for them to play, because Umakopa was not there to score goals, but these attacking midfielders, the three that are in front of double pivots, are the one that were responsible for scoring.
Yeah, but something that is always very questionable. So you say the way he was able to hold up play, and what do we want more from a striker? Is it goals or hold up play? What do you want?
It depends on the philosophy of a coach. You can say, when I've seen Barcelona taking Champions League, playing that league without a striker. Even when they were here in South Africa, they didn't have a target man, they didn't have a strike. But at the same time,
was not there.
But what is Suarez? Suarez, I think, is from Uruguay. I don't think Suarez is from...
You told me about Barcelona. You said Barcelona,
yes.
Not Spain. You said you saw Barcelona taking Champions League.
Yes.
So Suarez was not there.
No, not the one for Mason Neymar. No, not that one. There was that old Barcelona. When I started to open my eyes, there was a Barcelona that was playing without a 9.
Okay. But when you spoke about them coming to South Africa, that is not long time ago.
No, but that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm saying Suarez is not from Suarez was a Uruguay. He's not from Spain. So there was Xavi, David Villa, and the likes. So there were no striker. I'm talking about Spain.
The problem is when you said Barcelona, to Spain. When you talk about Barcelona and you
and then exactly, I'm saying that. So, I'm saying
now
that.
Now you talk about Spain.
No, I was talking about Barcelona specific. I'm talking about Barcelona, but you know that the Barcelona squad is 8, 5, 6, 7 years. That's what I'm saying.
So when you speak about Uruguay now,
when I go Suarez.
Suarez was for Barcelona.
No, not in that era. Not in this era. I'm talking about. Ukuthi false 9. Bengena striker. It
then
was
you spoke about them coming to South Africa.
No, let's pass, Baba. It means we would never finish this point. Let's pass.
Okay. Then in the Bagarenas, I think it's a very questionable thing, because people are not happy, as you're saying, that one would have loved to see Reyners, because he was in the injury for some time, but he came back, played like 4 games, scored like 4 goals, if not more. So he's really on his peak.
You know the advice I can give. Yeah, the advice I can give to Reyners, he must keep scoring. And then I so wish he can just be a top goal scorer towards the end of the season, so that he can put maybe under pressure Umkhulu, because Reyners has once went to a national team and also performed very well. So I maybe sometimes when there is no coach that doesn't have favorites. So sometimes the coach can reward the players, because now we from the era of Unyiko Mopi. So I think he's rewarding Umakopa, but for me, I don't think Umakopa is above Reyners. I don't think so, but that's a decision of Umkhulu. But I don't have much problem. That the only thing that doesn't make sense to me in this squad is just Reyners. But other than that, all the other positions,
then
I understand.
No Mbule, no Tito.
Let's contain a part.
And Lodge.
Not. I've been answering those things. I've been telling you that.
But you spoke about it.
Yes, now they're still relevant. But we don't even need to talk about those people. Man, there is a quote there.
But why?
Why
do you say you don't want to talk about those people?
Because I spoke about these things.
One hasn't played much.
Not. It's not about. When there's something that you need to understand. The reason why Umkhulu is fixing these mistakes. Remember, I told you when we come back from the AFCON, said the Pirates project have failed on the national team. So Umkhulu needs to go back to the Sounders project so that he can perform. Because to be honest, the Pirates project, it failed Bafana on the previous AFCON.
So we have Pirates project
with that being said,
and Sounders project in the national team.
Yes. Because the two teams, the two giants in South Africa now, it's Sundowns and Pirates. And then look at the composition of the squad. Remember when Ugo Bruce came back from AFCON, he said, the reason why we didn't win. He didn't talk about the things that were outside the dressing room, which were very important. He just mentioned that we don't have enough players that are playing abroad. Then now, this composition towards the World Cup, everything is balanced. There are 7 players of Mamelodi Sundowns. There are 6 players from Pirate, if I'm not mistaken. There are 6 players from overseas, 6 or 7 from overseas. So the squad is balanced now. So there is no excuse to say no. If this was this was this. But you could see the core. The reason why you bring up Themba Zwane, even Mkhulu said no, we wanted a DNA because Themba Zwane is the heartbeat of the national team. If Themba Zwane dances and doing, it's not about him playing. Did you see that? How did we miss it? That's why I said to me, it's a scam. And then it was he was our biggest downfall in this AFCON. That's why we couldn't win games. We couldn't dominate. You couldn't play the way we wanted to play because Umbole won't even give you 90 minutes. So, and Umbole is not playing into his team. And there are things that have happened there outside that dressing room because there was no team spirit. There was no the team
What are those
cohesion.
things?
No, things that are happening outside the dressing room, of which the social factor, which they also affect. That there's no brotherhood. There's no brotherhood. You remember when Bafana was playing in Bloemfontein, when they were kicking the ball outside so that Mfuken can come in. That spirit, that brotherhood, it was not there in this AFCON that we're coming from. So now, when we're bringing more Sundowns players, they will come with that mentality of Champions League mentality, international level experience from the World Cup, because we'll be having more of those players. Because I'm suspecting that obvious Williams, Umtau, no Motiba will be starting line, Adams, Nomkwano will be starting lineup, Umrena when he is available, he will be in the starting lineup together with Uzwan. So if you have 6-7 players there, it's easy to mold towards the common goal.
Well, midfielders, you have touched already. Mokoena, Jaden Adams. Hey, the boy is back. Mbata and Sole, the big 4 in the midfield. Adams, I'm so happy for him because he was really not finding his feet. Hey, he
is back. That's why. And then also this thing of a combination. I don't see Ustole starting the games. I'm seeing Adams and Mkwena starting the games because Ustole
the Portugal experience.
But look at his CAF games because sometimes you are good as your last game. The combination between him and Mkwena was making Mkwena maybe to deem on some not to perform well because of him, because sometimes the player that is playing next to you, it makes you to shine or else it drops you. That's why we need to Themba Zwane, because when there is a Themba Zwane there, everybody around you, you could see that when they get that energy.
I don't see Themba Zwane starting games.
Okay, good luck. So you're telling me that Mfukeng will be starting games? Good luck. You see the starting lineup of Friday, of the game that will be on Friday, 70% of the players that will be there, they are the starting lineup that is going to start on the World Cup. Watch the space. Because Undamane will be starting.
Okay. We're going to the defenders. Hold on.
Okay.
But those
Mbata
long shot range, happy about that.
Yeah, I know. I don't have a problem. As I said, that no problems there.
Okay.
It's just a plug and play. So Stole must just sit a little bit and be a backup. Mbata must be a backup. Mkwana and Adam should start.
Yeah.
At any day.
Your defenders, we got Khulisa Modau, Matuludi, hey, from Polokwane City.
Yeah.
I'm happy about that because now it's not only about the big 3 or big 4, and we do big two and the international big 3. But we do see players like Polokwane City, now Sitsola Badlali Babo bengena with national team. And then we have CBC, Podlela, Motiba, Ndamane, Okon, how do you pronounce it, Kamala Chep? Okon. Kabini and Mbokazi.
Yeah.
Hey, there were points where who was going to take whose lunch. You said, I
don't know. My feeling there, I just hope, I just wish Ime Ekon can raise their hand and play a solid game. And then I just wish Bafana Bafana cannot concede when he is there for the 2 games, because for us, going to the World Cup and going to start with Usbis, we are in trouble.
Oh, now we push the agenda.
It's not about the agenda. I've been telling you, the Pirates coming to the games of Sundowns. The Pirates, I've been telling you that Smith will make a mistake.
Come on. And
Smith
there was no mistake he made against Mamelodi Sundowns. But we are not there.
Yeah.
And
But
there's so many Pirates-
Smith is not performing well.
Pirates
Ever
can-
since Ulokuzano Mbogazi has went, that combination on the Pirate is starting to concede more goals than when there was Mbogazi. The build-up play is just changed.
And then is it because of Smith? It cannot be Usiema.
Smith cannot do those long balls. No, it was balanced when there was Usiema and also Mbogazi, because they were able to suit the style of play of Ulokuzano Pirate. But yeah, you can say whatever, but I'm telling you, you know what I like? You will witness these things, you will see these things, and then I will come back and I can tell you now for free. Ulokuzane, Usbis is not a starter. Good national team. Even in the Morocco, I told you when we went to Morocco that Usbis won't be a start, and Ungezano was a starter throughout. Besides when Bafana started to play with 3 center backs and wing backs.
I haven't seen any mistake from Usbisi, and I've seen so many Pirates fans bashing him, and I don't know what could be the issue. Even on the draw against Swelewell, then they came up, Usbisi, this is Usbisi.
Yeah, you know, sometimes there are players that are scapegoats. You know, you can go to Sundowns. Whenever something happens, if Zwane making mistakes, you won't hear much. But if Mvala making mistakes, you'll hear much. Mfukeng has not been performing well, you won't hear much. But if Smith is making a mistake, you will hear much. You remember the time if Kaizer Chiefs, if Kingston Carter is failing to score, you will see. Even now, if Utupris is not scoring, you will hear the fans. But if it's Villagaz, you won't hear that much noise. So it's about that also, that as a player, maybe you are charismatic to your fans.
Well, Motiba, nothing much to say. Ndamane, do you see the pairing and Ndamane
No way, unless we're playing with the back three. No way. But
so it's either Mbogazi.
So it's Mbogazi. It's Mbogazi. End of the story.
So Ndamane is there too.
Ndamane is a backup of Mbogazi.
Okay.
Because look at this squad. This squad is 2-2-2-2-2-2 every position.
Yeah.
It's 2-2-2-2-2-2-2. So Ndamane it's just that what I'm happy about is that Ndamane is going to start on the first game that would be here at Mapid.
Any comment on the issues people have been raising about Ime Okon? Nationality?
Forget about that thing. Ime Okon is a South African. He must go and play. Simple. Done. We move. No, man. We must not interchange some stupid things.
No,
that's
stupid thing.
nah,
People are
stupid
talking about these things. And that's what we're here for. To talk about things.
I don't have time to talk about those things. Hey, Ime Okon is South African. He's been playing at Kosafa. He's been playing under United States teams. Let him play. He'll bring international experience from Hanover 96. So let him play. We have crisis in the right center half. We have crisis there.
Yeah.
We're happy having Ungezane. We've been having Nai, not that, but was better than Usbis. Then now we have problem with Usbis because Usbis is not a start. That's why I'm saying on the squad, I'm praying that Ime Okon can fit like a glove in our squad, and then everything will be okay.
Now producers let's go to the goalkeepers.
Yeah.
There's a big change there. That's why I needed us to talk about this at last.
Yeah.
A big change because we see Ronan Williams, we see Goss always there.
Yeah.
And then instead of Sipo Chain that you always see, now we're seeing Ronaldo Lina.
Yeah, reigning goalkeeper of the season, even this year, is also contender, serious contender. Yeah. So such things, Umkhulu will tell you it's about the things that are happening outside the field. So sometimes listen, that thing is very important. That's why even I don't want to talk about this thing of Lodge anymore, because You don't want to have a negative energy in your dressing room. And what he's crying about is that at this AFCON, he didn't feel the team. He didn't have the spirit. They were not singing.
So now you're making a China your scapegoat now.
No, I'm not saying. I'm not saying he's the only scapegoat. But Umkhulu has said there are things. I'm saying the reason he is left out is not the football or the performance reasons, but it's something that is outside, which are your social factors, something that happens outside the field of play,
so
which affect the team.
With the performance, when you are happy personally?
A performance, yeah, I'm happy about the performance, but I don't have a much problem about him because Veli was always the second choice. So now the list will just tweak a little bit. It's unlike, okay, yes, when there is an injury, but okay, goalkeeper.
And Williams have been conceding like it's nobody's business.
But it's not about that. You know that Williams is not about him saving the goals, but it's how we play, how we start from the back. Because Williams is very, very, very important. And Williams of Bafana is not the same as Williams of his Sundowns. If you're saying no, he's conceding. He has been saving us the AFCON. He has been excelling. Remember that in the previous AFCON, he was even a goalkeeper of the tournament or of the year.
Okay, so going to these friend games as a coach, are you not giving the others an opportunity to play so that you will see them?
The way I'm feeling, Umkhulu is going to play all the guys. But the guys that are going to get less minutes, I'm seeing Abo Kabini getting lesser minutes. Undamana will have an advantage because Umbogazi won't start this game because Umbogazi they have to fly because Nabo. So obvious, maybe Nabo Masa could be the same thing. Maybe Moremi will be one that is starting. So he will just change the team around. But I know that he will start with a very, very, very strong team. I'm seeing him starting with Acorn or else maybe get Usbis because it won't make sense if you put Undaman and you put Ime Okon because both of them, they don't have much experience playing for a national team. Maybe you need to put up Odell. Then on that other game, the second one that will be played in Cape Town, maybe you put Ime Okon, maybe no Lokozanek, no Mbogas, which are your first central defenders.
Okay. Well, maybe now my question was based on a goalkeeper.
You go with Williams.
But
now you're preparing.
You're preparing these guys.
Yes, maybe second half. Maybe second half you can start with it, but you start with the tried and tested because you don't have much games. It's a friendly game, but it's not a friendly game because you playing. You want to see how far is your team.
But you already know who Williams wins on. So
yes,
why
you already know, but
you already know,
but the center backs that are there, and then you also want your team to have confidence. You don't want your team to lose because you also want to see the confidence. Maybe Williams will play 60 minutes and then the other goalkeeper Ukos will play 30 minutes. If you want to see Leonard, maybe will get maybe 30 minutes or 15 minutes, but they won't get more than 35 minutes.
All right. In conclusion, are you happy with the players called out?
I'm happy with the players called out beside Urenas. That's my only concern. Biggest concern.
That's just about it. So let us see how who would you have loved to see on the national team? Would you have loved to see Reyners, Makhalwa, sorry,
at least if you were talking about the people that were in the Premier squad, but now you're talking about people that are outside of the Premier
squad.
Okay.
Even there, we still have love to see.
Yeah, but we're going to the World Cup, man. We must make sure that you yes. Hey. How you went?
Hey, there are things
that you need to understand. You know, when you are a coach, you don't think like a fan, man. There's a difference. Not. We're going to watch the finish line now. You have less than 5 games. You less than 5 games to prepare for a World Cup when you still want to try some new things. Unless we have a crisis in that position. For now, we don't have many crises. Okay.
I'm out of here.
If
this is your first time, please do subscribe, share, and tell others. Go sit through past. This is Kanye. Depends. Coach. Plumber.
Yeah.
Note.
Yeah.
And put your it's
plumbering.
Please do subscribe, share, and tell others. Dina, parang hindi nga si company ko, siya pa rin comment I'm out of here.
Hayi sambile ba. Sabonga.